So today we're taking you to Piran. Now, Piran is a lovely seaside town in Slovenia. So in this video, we'll show you 8 of the best things to do in the city, the best way to get to Piran, and just how expensive accommodations are in this popular resort town. All in this episode of Lucas World Travel. Piran is about an hour and a half away from the capital of Ljubljana, and it's best to travel by bus to get there, as the city's narrow streets are for pedestrians only. Plus, parking can get up to 90 euros a day. Yikes! We recommend your first stop being Piran city's walls, because this is where you'll get the best views of the city.
Once upon a time, this city was surrounded by these walls to keep out the Ottoman Turks when they were a threat to the city. So once that threat was gone, that's when they tore down most of the walls. But there's still some existing entrances and walls so you can see them. And you can see the beautiful aged stone as you walk the streets of Piran. You definitely want to come up and take advantage of this beautiful view, but more than that, these walls are magnificent, so it's definitely worth the hike up the hill.
So from the walls, you can see 3 countries: Slovenia directly in front of you, Italy to your right, and Croatia back on your left. It's a stunning view with the blue waters of the Adriatic Sea and all the beautiful orange rooftops. I dare say this view even inspired a little romance.
Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo?
Next stop is Tartini Square, which is the main square in Piran. It's named after a Slovenian violinist and composer, Tartini. And here you can see the beautiful city hall as well as the clock tower at the top of the hill. We also recommend taking the Piran walking tour to learn even more about the interesting sights and history of Piran. We signed up for the evening tour, which includes a tasting of local wines and oils. It's such a delicious way to experience local food and drink when you're in Piran. So check out our full blog for all the info on this tour. The link is in the description box below. Next stop is the iconic church on the top of the hill, St. George's Parish Church. Take a peek inside and then marvel at the view outside the church. We also recommend paying the €2 to climb to the top of the clock tower. And this is the start of 140 stairs to the top of the watchtower. Never seen stairs like this before. And we made it. It's actually a very easy climb. So this might be one of my favorite views in Piran. You can see the marina, all the beautiful houses, and the city walls. A must-see when you come to the city. For delicious seafood, we recommend this charming cantina, where you order and pick up your food at the window. So we liked this so much yesterday. We're back for round 2. Today we're trying mussels and calamari.
I love it. Really tasty, has good flavor. I've been craving these since I saw them yesterday. I had fish yesterday and decided to try this one today. I've been thinking about it all morning.
And now to try the mussels. They look super cheesy. It really is divine. It's salty, cheesy. You're gonna taste the tomato flavor, garlicky. It's all the flavors you want. Highly recommend this dish. Although Piran doesn't have any sandy beaches, we still found it oh so refreshing to take a dip from their concrete beach. And from morning to sunset, you can find people out enjoying the water. Lastly, take a walk down the coastal pathway to Fiesta, the neighboring resort town to Piran. You'll enjoy beautiful sea views all the way there and can enjoy exploring a different beach once you get there. Finally, let's show you our Piran accommodations. Now, we found accommodations to be quite expensive in Piran during high season. We went during shoulder season, and this simple room still costs $83 a night. And this same room can get as high as $113 a night. So definitely be aware that while Piran is lovely, accommodation prices are a bit high. Nonetheless, we loved visiting Piran and highly recommend it as a must-see stop on your trip to Slovenia. Next stop is Croatia. So if you're interested to see our journey through Zagreb, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when we post again. Well, world travelers, that's our journey. Good luck planning yours.
Por eso lo que repica son